Hey everyone, welcome back to tenorshare. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways to take a screenshot on your iPhone. Whether your iPhone has a home button or not, or if you're looking for some cool tips to make taking screenshots even easier, here are all you need to know. Let's dive right in. For the first method, we're going to cover the most traditional way of taking a screenshot. Press the volume up button and the side button at the same time. Just like that, you've captured your screen. For iPhones with a home button, simply click the side button and the home button will be okay. Now, if you prefer an easier and quicker approach or find it tricky to use the buttons, you can use the AssistiveTouch feature to take a screenshot. Go to Settings, then find Accessibility, and then Touch. Turn on AssistiveTouch. Your screen will have a small white button. Scroll down to locate the double tap option and choose Screenshot as your preference. Now, all you have to do is tap the AssistiveTouch button on your screen. This is my favorite because it's super convenient. You can do a lot with this white button, and it normally becomes transparent, so it doesn't obstruct your view. If you love the feel of a bare iPhone or use a very thin phone case, you can screenshot by simply tapping the back of your iPhone, like this. This is also in Accessibility in Settings. Go to Touch, then scroll down to the bottom to find Back Tap. You can choose the gesture you want, then select Screenshot from the list of actions. Now, just tap the back of your iPhone 2 or 3 times, and it will instantly take a screenshot. I love doing this when my friend is nearby. It always surprises them. Lastly, you can ask Siri to take a screenshot for you. I often do this while cooking with dirty hands, so I can capture a recipe from a video without touching my phone. Make sure Siri is enabled. You can go to Siri and search to turn it on. Once Siri is set up, just say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot," and Siri will do it for you. You can also activate Siri manually by pressing the side button or home button. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip. If you're browsing a website and want to capture the entire page, you can do that too. Just take a regular screenshot using any of the methods we've discussed. Then tap on the screenshot preview. You'll see an option to capture the full page. Select Full Page, and your iPhone will save the entire web page. You can crop it as well. The full page screenshot works mainly in Safari for entire web pages, but can also capture scrolling content in apps like Mail, Notes, and Pages, depending on the app. This is super handy when you need to capture long articles, receipts, or any other content that's too lengthy for a single screen. And here's some iOS news. iOS 18 beta now includes phone recording and other new features. If you're thinking about trying out the iOS 18 beta, make sure to check out our video card for a full guide. Or you can download ReiBoot to install the iOS 18 beta on your phone. And if you run into any issues, like being stuck on the Apple logo, ReiBoot is a powerful system repair tool that can help fix your device without losing any data. You can get a free download link in the comments below. Okay, those are 4 easy ways to take a screenshot on your iPhone. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.